So this morning we're going to replace this back section of frame rail. As you can see, it's got a little rust spot right there. It's kind of bulged out. It's got a ripple right here. This is pretty rusted out where the spring mounts. And coming around to the other side, same thing. Big bulge right there. This is rippled here. It's dented. Yeah, it's just worn out. And for $29, they'll give me a chance to replace it anyway. But what I also noticed, if you look at these measurements, and compare it to what it should be, so I've got the sheet here. I'm a little off, and I think this frame rail back here is bent enough that it's throwing everything off just a little bit. So all the numbers on the passenger side frame rail are perfect according to this. So we'll cut this piece off and line it up perfectly, weld it in place, and that way both sides will be right. I think I've got it in the right spot. So from the center line of the front spring mount, here should be 52 and an 8. It's right there. This from the passenger side frame rail to the center line of the driver's side frame rail should be exactly 43 inches. And from the ground to the edge of the frame rail here right at the center line should be 25 1/4. Right there. I think we're in place. Let's get it welded in. We're all weld through primed, clamped back into place. One last check before we weld it in. 52 and an 8. 43. 25 1/4. We're in the right spot. Let's go ahead and get it tacked in. During the welding process, I constantly checked and rechecked everything to ensure that nothing moved. You'll see I'm stopping and starting an awful lot to check the up, down, left, right, and forward measurements. After getting it all welded in place, the seam welds were ground down, and then the cleco clamp holes were slightly enlarged on the outer pieces so that could be rosette welded. This will finish up the frame rail and all the issues that we had with it, and gets everything prepped for finishing up the rear of the car. Next steps are going to be prepping the wheelhouses for installation, then ordering quarter panels. Alright, that's going to do it for this episode. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and share it with your friends, and also you can hit the bell to be notified of any new videos that are coming out. So on the next time, we're going to work on continuing to fit in the trunk pan, and we've got a new gas tank that'll be fitted, and all that's in preparation to get the rear quarter panels placed. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.